vlog. This is Miss Scarlett.
And Marco!
So, we have a dumpling.
Yeah, sa akin masira kasi nasira ko na yan.
So, hindi pa namin ito binubuksan. Sinira niya na. Yan siya. Ginanon niya. Pero, unti lang.
Magaling. Yay! Yay! Tingnan natin yung dumpling.
So, this is my cheese.
You want that? You like the cheese or the dumpling one? He'd like and subscribe.
So, guys, I like this. Purple.
I like the green one.
Gusto ko purple.
Gusto ko green.
Green. Ano? Wait lang, guys.
Ganito.
So, gusto na daw etong green.
Tingnan natin. Green.
So, let's go. Pick it tayo.
Ako muna.
Sige, go.
Pick it ka. Tingnan natin.
So, it's stretchy siya.
Tingnan. Wow.
Ako na.
Ang mata mo. Para na-choose yung cooking one.
I like purple. Wag mo sasabihin kung purple o
Orange. Open your eyes. Me, I have one. Scarred have two. Sharing is caring.
Ano ba itong minintay ba
Sharing
itong
is caring. Scarred.
So, guys,
You wanna like this or the dumpling one? Cheese or dumpling?
this. The purple dumpling or this green dumpling.
Or the cheese one?
Masakit to.
Which like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Hindi pa.
This green, if you want this green, like the green.
You like the green?
Wait lang. Comment the green. Comment the green dumpling.
The next one is the
Wait
cheese.
lang.
Ha?
Next one is the purple dumpling. Comment the purple dumpling in the comment section. Next is
The cheese.
Grabe siya.